Okay, so what I've done is basically I put the arm, replace the shock absorber, I put the drop link as well, so I'm gonna now put the tie rod end. Okay, so I've got it. So this one here, so I'm gonna turn the wheel now fully right, so it will came, the tie rod will came here. So now I'm gonna screw this one in. So now I'm gonna put the cover. I'm gonna put this one on the front. So that should go quite easy. Yeah, it does. Now I'm going to turn left and then obviously put the cover on the back. I think I'm gonna remove this one and put the zip tie as on the other one side, and I'm just gonna get new one clip from both sides. So I'm gonna put this one on. So now I try to grab the zip tight and pull it towards me, so when I hear the click, yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna put the hub onto the shock absorber. Then I'm gonna put the arm into the hub and start to screw everything together. Now drop it down, and I'm gonna put this one here, try to redirect it, get my properly lifter. Okay, so now try to, okay, so now hopefully that as with the other one, I would press it with my knee, and hopefully it will just go in. No. No. So I need to try again. Oh, yeah, I think now. Yes. So okay, it's in now. So I'm gonna lift this one. So now I'll put this one here. Yep. Okay. And I'm gonna tie now those two from the arm, which is okay. And this one. So now I suddenly left the tie rod just to make sure it's all the wheels are straight. So I try to, link traction, base it on my eye. So now I'm gonna turn the wheel straight, the steering wheel. Okay guys, so actually it looks like it's all done now. Yeah, what I've done now here is basically replace the arm, put the new tie rod, replace the shock with spring, and put new drop link. And yeah, so I refit the cover on the drive shaft. So basically it's all ready to go.